All right, here we go. So, bam. Look what came in the mail today. Yep, that's it. It's finally here. Um, this is the 10.25-inch Android screen for my Mercedes. Um, gonna sit here and unbox it with you guys today. So let's just see what comes in the box. It'll just be an unboxing. I will probably follow up with an install video if it works out right? So you get some foam. Looks like this is the mounting bracket you'll need inside the vehicle. Get rid of that bubble wrap. Fun stuff. So you get 2 screws. I hope those are useful. So got that, 2 screws, mounting bracket. Look at that. You get tools. You get a bunch of pry tools. You get a bunch of like little pins, and I guess you use the pry with the pin. You get a bag of pry tools. You get some specialty key looking thingamajiggers. Yeah, some sharp stuff that helps you get to some tight places. Yeah, they hook you up with that. You ain't gotta have your own. That's awesome. That is nice. Some more foam. I guess that's the screen, obviously. Whoa, you get a bag full of wires. Jesus. You get a bag full of wires. They said this was easy. Hold on. All right, so you get a bag full of wires. I know that's probably a GPS antenna. I'm gonna probably see if I can use factory. Yeah, GPS antenna. Oh, some tweezers. What? Clutch? That goes with that stuff. This looks like a fuse. Yeah, filter and fuse box. So there you go. So you get a fuse. Everything's labeled. Changeover. So USB changeover, like crossover, whatever. Yeah, this is kind of difficult, man. You get this. Looks like another type of antenna of some type. Yeah, 2 antennas. Yeah. Get some wires. A lot of wires. AV, DVR in, video in. You know, 3 video wires. What? Front facing camera in. I hope that's what that FF means, because I really do want to add a front camera. I can't draw that well. Audio in. That looks like that proprietary Mercedes connector. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, so you get that. That's nice. Little harness. You get this monstrosity of a harness. This must be the big dog. This is definitely the big dog. This is what lets you keep your factory stuff and then splices into your auxiliary stuff. Yeah, big freaking harness. A lot of it's already connected. Pretty neat. Yep, is that little wire cable kind of thing? Like I'm splicing into here. I'm gonna go there. Blah. Get in there. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Yeah. You got a bunch of connectors right here. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Bruh. Yeah, bruh. This looks like what's a power cable for a 12-volt camera. So I guess that's what's gonna go with your aux camera if you do get a camera. This is audio out, I guess, if you have like a sub or something. I don't, just got factory stuff. Yeah. Doesn't look like too much. Yeah, that's a lot. I ain't gonna lie, that's a lot. All right, now the big dog. The big dog. Amonka Dunga itself, man. Like, yeah. Get that box out of here, bro. Boom. Hold up. Foam. Get out of here, bro. Yes, this is the centerpiece. This is the OG. This is the truth, bro. This is what's going on the dash. So, yeah, 10.25-inch, I guess, diagonal. Yeah, it is pretty neat, man. First impressions, there's still some bulky bezels like the original factory one. Obviously, the factory one stops like right there. This one goes like an inch in every direction. Well, not an inch in like these 2 directions, but yeah. Cables, everything is kind of labeled pretty well. It says remove the base before installing. Okay. Yeah. So usually with these kind of things, you would look in the box for a piece of paper that would give you instructions. And yeah. Bruh. Ain't really no instructions, man. I usually don't read those anyway, but would have been nice to have. But yeah, that's pretty much all that comes in the box. You got a few antennas. You got a huge wire harness with a lot of stuff. It looks like you got standard auxiliary things for a camera. I'm going to look that up because I do want to add a front-facing camera. That would be awesome. But I think I might force and get this installed before getting a camera and then go back and then install the camera. Yes, I will double work it. But yeah, man, this is it. This is all you get in the box. You get a bracket. I guess that bracket's supposed to fit my car. I'm supposed to maybe do some stuff. Yeah, let's get to the install, and then I'll catch you guys up with everything that is on here. This is the 10.25-inch curved Android 10. Apparently, I got the 4 GB, 64 gigs of RAM. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 GB storage model. I got the best model. They gave me a pretty good price. They gave me a nice little discount because I was being cheap. It's a pandemic. Ain't nobody trying to spend money. People ain't working. But yeah, they hooked me up. I got 10% off. You might not be able to get 10% off. Like I said, I really did hustle. I had to get like people like Flex on YouTube to, give me a shout out to help me out and talk to the guys. And, all I know is they came back from 5% and gave me 10%. They hooked me up. I'll catch up with y'all when I do the install. All right. Peace.